Want to use ElevenLabs to generate AI voiceovers for free? Here's how to get started step by step. Step 1. Go to ElevenLabs.io and click Sign Up. Create a free account using your email or Google login. Step 2. Once you're signed in, go to Text-to-Speech tab. Type or paste your text into the text box. Choose a voice from the available free voices. You can adjust the voice settings like stability and clarity. Step 3. Click Generate to hear your AI voice. On the free plan, you get about 10,000 characters per month. You can also download the audio if it's within your limit. If 10,000 characters completed, you can use other email. If this helped, like the video and leave a comment. Follow for more AI tools and tips.